an offering and a performance. This is Tribu Masadyaong Subanian's description of their second participation in the Sinulog Grand Parade. This tribe has put an extra effort to prepare for their Sinulog comeback after their last performance in 2019. 72 dancers and 120 props men committed themselves and juggled their responsibilities in their education and practices in order to perform for Senior Santo Niño. Gerson Miradores, a 12-year-old dancer who is in grade 7, shares that this is an unforgettable experience for him as it is his first time performing in the Sinulog.
Ganalang ko may feel kay pangako na ko nga may feel adyo ko sunod tuig para kang kantun sa Santo Niño.
The group's performance revolves around the everyday lives of fishermen and the importance of their catch in the community.
We are going to showcase the thing that is famous in our barangay, which is the bagsakan. Bagsakan, nagyo na diya mga isda, bisag unsa ka klase nga isda nga paliton, nga mao po'y baligya din sa mga restaurants and hotels dito sa Cebu City.
𝗬𝗏𝗂 explained that despite having to deal with dust during rehearsals due to ongoing renovations in their gym and the lack of proper lighting, their faith to the Holy Child keeps them going as it sparks up their hope to succeed in this year's performance. Barangay Suba's Barangay Captain 𝗬𝗏𝗂 also assured their contingent that they have the LGU's full support even with a limited working budget.
Ni apel mi aning kalihukan isip nga halad o pasalamat sa ni Senior Santo Niño ang balaang bata nga sa kanunay gud nga wala gud niya biyae sa tanang kalisod nga mayagi sa among barangay, especially na sa akong pamilya. Kay si Senior Santo Niño moingon mo nga mga bata pa mi, siya na gud ang murag patron nga among namatngan nga ang itudlo sa mga ginikanan nga maoy muluwas ti kanamo sa tanang kalisod.
For this time, nga niapil ang Barangay Suba sa Sinulog, actually I told my dancers nga we do not dance for the prize. We dance for prayers, no? Pasa atong devotion. So, ako na lang gibutan sila una nga wata man ayo para makadaog o dili para mo halad.
This has been Mary Francis Lynn Caayon for Sinulog 2024 sa MyTV.